Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact model year and current infotainment version in settings so you know which package you need. This avoids mismatches. Next, prepare a clean 832 GB USB drive formatted FAT32 and remove other files to prevent conflicts. Once the drive is ready, download the official Honda update file onto it and place it in the root folder. Make sure the vehicle is powered, engine running or key in on, and battery health is above 50%. You insert the prepared USB into the front media port, and the system will detect the update. If it does not, reformat and retry. Once detected, choose System Update, confirm you want to install, and allow the process to run. This is critical because interrupting file writes can corrupt the unit. During the 20 to 45-minute install, keep the engine running and avoid using media controls. If prompted, confirm each step and wait for the system to reboot fully before removing the USB. You finish by checking settings to verify the new software version and then test key functions, Bluetooth pairing, radio presets, and navigation, so you confirm everything works. If the update fails or the unit behaves oddly, retry using a freshly formatted USB and re-download the update file. Sometimes a different USB drive or port resolves detection issues. Once done, if problems persist, make sure to gather the current version number, any error messages, and your VIN, and contact your dealer or Honda support for guided recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.